Red is the most emotionally intense colour. It's a colour of blood, danger and love. It represents fire, passion, strength and rage. It can depict malice and wrath, but also determination and radiance. On the positive, red is also an exciting colour and is closely linked to being romantic through its conveyance of lust, passion and desire. The colour offers high visibility and in turn is used in warning signs and fire engines, to name a few. It's also closely linked to power and importance, as we can note in the celebrity's red carpet. Red has great polarising meaning towards a positive or negative, dependent upon culture and application. Blue is the colour depicting water and cold. It depicts the sky and the sea. It is a peaceful colour promoting calm, to the contrary of red, and so is a popular colour used in bedrooms. Blue is known to release tranquil chemicals into the body as a result of perceiving the colour. In certain circumstances, blue may depict depression, but on the flip side is also an effective colour to depict loyalty. Blue also depicts freedom, imagination, sincerity and wisdom. It's known to slow down the metabolism of the body and also acts as an appetite suppressant. Blue is regarded as a corporate colour and is often seen second to black to depict power and importance. Blue shirts worn by the police and firefighters in contrast to their black uniform is one such example of power. Yellow depicts the sun and happiness. It's fresh, vibrant, energetic, optimistic and joyful. Yellow is a confidence builder, but can have an adverse effect on mood if used lavishly as a result of visual overstimulation. It can also be associated with sickness, jealousy or cowardice. Yellow demands attention and can be observed from great distances. Taxicabs are painted yellow in many countries for this reason and has a great advantage over the black London cab. The colour is known to increase mental clarity, memory and enhances vision. Yellow is often seen as a colour of spring in that the colour is hosted by daffodils.